Hello everyone, welcome to our video sessions. Today let's draw some different kinds of trees in our video. So first I'm drawing a coconut tree. So to draw a coconut tree I need some coconuts, I need some coconut branches of trees. So let me draw the wood to strong the way the tree is grown, and in the underground a crab is being drawn. So here's a beautiful coconut tree that has been drawn with a black sketch. So put some shades to the coconut tree. So let's move on. I'm drawing a different types of flowers with continuously, and then I'm drawing a tree. So it's like drawing a flowers, it looks like a branches of leaves. So let me put some shades to this branches of trees with a green color. So let's move on. I'm using a pink buds, and the paint I've put lots of dots in it, and the red color, and again using different buds, and then using a brown. So drawing inside the branches. In spring season this kind of pink flowers will be seen. So here's a beautiful pink tree flower. So let's move on. I'm using an orange, and then with the yellow and the black leaf and the brown, and then again I'm using an yellow color and the brown leaves is drawn inside. So let's move on. Again I'm using a black color, and then a brown leaf is being drawn inside the pink leaves. So again a red color is being drawn, and then a green color shades is being drawn. So here some dots is being put onto the papers. So let's move on. So crows has been drawn. So let's move on. Again I'm drawing the leaves inside the parts slowly with the linings of them with the brown color, and then I'm drawing a circles inside the line, and then I'm drawing the orange tree. So here green color and the brown color is being shaded to go the way. So and the yellow color. So here's a beautiful scenery is being drawn. So let's draw some circle and the trees, and then let's draw the branches with the branches of circles, and then let's move on. So next is like shading the wood part and the green part. So let's move on. I'm drawing a star, again a star, again here we are drawing a Christmas tree. So Christmas tree looks in green color, and let's put some decorations to the Christmas tree like decorating the bells and the wings and the stars. So again I'm using a bell, and then different kinds of bells is being placed over the Christmas tree. So let's shade them with green color. So let's move on. Again I'm drawing a tree type, and then branches of big branches is being drawn in the tree. Then again one more tree is being drawn. Again a tree inside is being drawn. So let me put some shades to this tree with green color and the brown color. So using a buds, I'm taking a light green paint and sticking onto the paper, and then dark green, and using a paint I'm using a brown color. Using a brush I'm drawing the grass. So here's a beautiful scenery. So let's move on. Again I'm drawing a wings, the brown of the each side of the branches of the wood that has been drawn slowly, and then we need to shade them with brown color and the green color. So let's move on. Here I'm drawing a tree with the brown and put some dots underneath, and then draw the leaf veins. So let me put some shades with the red color and the brown color and draw the flowers and stick on to the flowers of the branches with slowly with using a craft paper, cut them and stick on to the branches. So let's move on. Again I'm drawing a tub slowly, and then lining the tub and drawing the different kinds of hearts and then lining them. So here a big faces, different emojis of different kinds of plants is being drawn with different emojis and lining them with smiling, opening tongue, and then with the closing eyes. And here's a beautiful picture. Let me put some shades to this plant with